Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now we will begin practice set 30 on textbook page number 50. Find the square root of first one 625. First we will divide 625 by 5 because 625 is going 5 table. Five ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 bring it down. 5 twos are 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 bring it down. 5 fives are 25. That is 625 is equal to 5 into 125. Now this 5 you have to write as it is for next step, and again you have to divide 125 by 5. Five twos are 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 fives are 25. That is 5 into 25. Next step will come, you have to divide 25 by 5. You have to write this as it is, 5 into 5. Okay. Number 25 how much is going? 5 fives are 25. So we'll write directly. Now you have to make the group 2 times multiplication form number 5 because you have to find the square root. You have to underline 2 numbers and to make one group. 5 into 5 is 5 square. 5 into 5 is pi square. That is pi square into pi square. 5 is the base, 2 is the index. Now base which is repeating here, that you have to write in bracket in multiplication form. Index which is repeating, that you have to write only one time. That is equal to 5 into 5 the whole square. You have to multiply this 5 into 5. 5 fives are 25. That is equal to 25 square. Now you have to remove this square. When you remove this square here, in question what is given, this will become square root. That is therefore square root of 625 is equal to 25. I removed this square here and here I wrote it square root. This is the square root symbol. Therefore square root of 625 is answer is 25. Next 1225. Divide the number 1225 by 5 because it is going 5 table. Five twos are 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 bring it down. 5 fours are 20. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 5 bring it down. 5 fives are 25. When you divide 1225 by 5, answer is getting 245. 1225 is equal to 5 into 245. Now this 5 write as it is. Next step, and then you have to divide 245 by 5 because unit place 5 is there. Five fours are 20. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5, bring it down. 5 nines are 45. That is 5 into 49 you have to write next step. This 5 you have to write as it is. I already wrote here. That is equal to 5 into 5 into 49. Number 49 is going 7 table directly. So we will do say 7 table directly and then we will write direct answer. No need to divide if you know 7 table. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now you have to make the group 2 times multiplication form. That is 5 square into 7 square. Base you have to write in bracket in multiplication form. Index 2 is there, that you have to write outside the bracket one time. That is equal to 5 into 7 the whole raised to square. 5 sevens are 35 square. Remove this square and then write square root. Question what is given, that you have to write in square root form. Therefore square root of 1225 is equal to 35. When you remove this square here, it will become your square root. Okay, and then answer is 35. Next, 289. The number 289 is directly going 17 table. It is not divisible by any odd number except 17. It is not divisible by 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 15. So directly it is going 17 table. 17 is the prime number. 17 square is 289. So we will do square root of the number 289 directly. 289 is equal to 17 into 17, that is equal to 17 square. Now remove this square symbol and then you have to find square root. You have to put square root here in question what is given. Therefore square root of 289 is equal to 17. Next, 4096. 4096 is divisible by 2. When you do 2 table to find the square root of 4096, it will bring you very long method. So you do 4 table. You can divide 4096 by 4. Four ones are 4. One digit you have to bring it down when you are dividing. 4 zeros are 0. 4 twos are 8. 6, bring it down. 4 fours are 16. Quotient is 1024. 4096 is equal to 4 into 1024. This 4 you have to write as it is now. Next step. Now again divide 1024 by 4. When you divide 1024 by 4, I am getting the quotient 256. that is 4 into 256. Next step will come 4 into 256. Now 4 into 4 write as it is. Again you have to divide 256 by 4. When you divide 256 by 4, quotient is getting 64. That is 4 into 64 is 256. So next step will come 4 into 4 into 4 into 64. Now this 4 into 4 into 4 write as it is, and then again you have to divide 64 by 4. Number 64 is divisible by 4. When you divide 64 by 4, I am getting the quotient 16. That is 4 into 16. So next step will come 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 16. Number 16 is divisible by 4 again. If you say 4 table, that is 4 fours are 16. Directly we will write the answer without dividing. If you know 4 table, that is equal to, this you write as it is, this 4 times 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, now you have to make the group square form, that is 2 times multiplication form number 4. Underline it, 2 times multiplication form number 4. When you make the group, it should be in square form. Two numbers you have to multiply to make one group. 4 into 4 is 4 square, 4 into 4 is 4 square, 4 into 4 is 4 square, that is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 the whole square. I have directly done here. Now you have to multiply this in bracket. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, that is equal to 64 square. Therefore square root of 4096 is equal to 64. Last one is 1089. The number 1089 is not divisible by 2. It is going 3 table because unit place 9 is there. Number 9 is divisible by 3. So we will divide 1089 by 3. When you divide 1089 by 3, quotient is getting 363. That is 1089 is equal to 3 into 363. This 3 you write as it is. Next step, again divide 363 by 3. When you divide 363 by 3, quotient is getting 121. That is 3 into 121 you have to write next step. After writing this 3 into as it is, that is equal to 3 into 3 into 121. Number 121 is directly going 11 table. 11 square is 121. In square of the number table, 11 square is here. 11 square is 121. So next step will come 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Now make the group. That is equal to 3 square into 11 square is equal to, in bracket, 3 into 11 the whole square. In bracket what is there, multiply it. 11 3s are 33. That is equal to 33 square. Therefore, square root of 1089 is equal to 33. If you understood this practice set, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.